Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Thank you for tuning in, and we're gonna open up these ZMac. The funny thing is about these were supposed to come out in Walmart, but we found them in HEB. How about that? I'm doing some cleaning, putting some things away, and putting the cards, the loose cards away, and putting all these away, all the bubbles away. I don't collect these, I just keep them because I have friends, other diecast collectors, that do customs, and they need the bubbles. So I'm holding these, or maybe one of you guys out there need some bubbles. Let me know. Yeah, I got some. I'll ship them for you guys. I'm gonna open up these three beauty ZMax. We got the 32 Ford, we got the Porsche 993 GT2, and we got a Ford Shelby GT500. Very cool. There's more ZMac versions, but these are the ones that we got. So let's start with the Shelby. Let's check this one out. So there it is. Very cool. Awesome. That black and green stripe, the Hot Wheel logo on the back, and black, green, and black rims, black bottom. You got the grill. Very cool. Doesn't have the lights painted or stickers. Green windshield. Very cool. Shelby. So there it is. Let's leave the Porsche to last. That one looks pretty cool. Let's go with the 32 Ford in ZMac. Look at that. This is very cool. Black flames with a little bit of white on the shade to make the shadow effect. Black bottom. That chrome front. Very cool. As you can tell, this is chrome and this is just the metal, the coating, so it's really different. From far away, you can't tell, but yeah, you can tell really close up. Very cool Ford. Now we got the last but not least, the Porsche. This Porsche 995 GT2. Very cool. Let's get this out. Let it breathe some air. I like those rims. A good combo with the silver body, the ZMac. Oh, this one does have the lights. Got the Porsche logo. It's always a plus for me, having the branded on it. We don't got no stickers for Hot Wheels. Just oh, look at that, we got a license plate on the back. Nice, very nice. So there it is. This is probably my favorite from the three. Very cool Porsche, the ZMac version. So there it is. Thank you for spending some time with us. Get this paper out of the way. Thank you for spending some time with us, tuning in to another video. Please check out more on the channel. We got tons of other videos. Leave your suggestions. What would you like to see? What models would you like to see me open? Maybe if I have it, I'll open it. And yeah, doing some spring cleaning. Oh wait, it's not spring. Is it spring? Or March, April. Very cool. All right, thank you for watching.